Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to withdraw from Cryptoguru. Now, Cryptoguru is a stock cryptocurrency trading simulator, which means that you pretty much have an app that will help you where you can learn how to trade cryptocurrency without actually shelling out real life money. So as you can see here, you go to lobby. It says your virtual balance. If you tap on that, this is pretty much your virtual currency that you can use to trade on Cryptoguru. And that just means that, again, there is no way to actually withdraw this money that you have because it is virtual currency. It's not real. If somebody says that you can, that's a scam, or they're lying, or they're just plain ignorant. So again, you cannot withdraw from Cryptoguru. Again, it is a simulator. It is just pretty much a game where you learn how to trade cryptocurrency again. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next one.